Buonasera and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight I'm making one of the favorite dishes of Casa Caponigri and one of my fan favorites. Many of you have written in and asked me to please share the demo and the recipe for my chicken in panna, which means chicken and cream. It's a typical country rustic Tuscan dish that we all love, and you will too. Very simple steps. Here, I've dredged my chicken breasts, or you can do chicken tenders, whatever you prefer, in flour with salt and pepper. Now I'm browning them till they get golden on each side. Of this dish is not only the delicious taste, but the simplicity of preparation. Typical country rustic Tuscan recipe. We'll have 3 ingredients. We have our flour, in which we dredge our chicken breasts. We have butter, and we have panna da cucina. So this is Italian cooking cream. If you live in an area of the country where you cannot find this, it's fine to substitute heavy whipping cream, just liquid whipping cream from your supermarket in the dairy section. But I can find this where I live in the Midwest, so I'm certain you'll be able to find it too. The consistency of this is just a little thicker than our whipping cream, but either one works beautifully. So a simple ingredients, simple dish, 3 ingredients, that's all. So very simple. We have 3 ingredients and basically 3 steps. We're now going to transfer our beautifully browned chicken tenders or chicken breasts, whichever you prefer, into a casserole. And we're going to pour the panna, the cream, into the dish to get all these brown bits from the butter and flour. So here we go. I like to use, my children like a lot of panna, so I use 2 of the boxes. That would probably be comparable if you're using the whipping cream to 1.5 to 2 cups of whipping cream. I'm going to just stir this so that we get all the delicious browned butter and browned flour bits that fell off the chicken while we were cooking. And then we're going to pour this right over the chicken. That's it. I bake this at 350 for 20 minutes because the chicken is almost fully cooked. And then you have a creamy, delicious, golden dinner. Creamy, golden, and delicious. Buon appetito! Tutti a tavola. Ciao ciao!